Today we are going to discuss about the maintenance. And in this topic we are going to discuss some important topic related to the maintenance. And after completing this module, you will be able to understand three things: the history of maintenance, objectives of maintenance, and what are the several rules of maintenance. First of all, we need to know and we need to understand the objective. Many people thinking that maintenance means only to do the repairing and replacing, but this is not the truth. You need to know about maintenance. Before going to discuss, just as per my slide, I would like to tell you about the history of maintenance. Mr. Saichi Nakajima was the first man who belongs to Japan. While he was working in a group company of Toyota Group, he introduced total productivity maintenance on 1961 by carrying out the preventive maintenance of machine and equipment. So after that, an internationally accepted TPM benchmark developed by Mr. Saichi Nakajima is therefore regarded as the father of TPM, that means total productivity maintenance. Well, so Mr. Saichi Nakajima was the first man who introduced total productivity maintenance while he was working in a group company of Toyota called Nippon Denso. That's why whole world regarded him as father of TPM, father of maintenance. So this is the history I told you. Now we are going to discuss about the type of maintenance. As I told you, maintenance doesn't mean to only do the repairing and replacing. If you are doing maintenance of any facilities, maintenance of any building, like it should be a commercial building, it should be a residential building, hospitalities building, it should be a mall, whatever maintenance you are doing, we need to do three kind of maintenance. They are preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and reactive maintenance. Well, what are they and why you need it? Preventive maintenance, shortly we are saying it PPM. PPM means planned preventive maintenance, which is a time-based maintenance. According to the time schedule, we need to do this maintenance. As an example, suppose we have 10 air handling units, 5 electric motor, and 2 electrical panel in my building. Before going to start the activity, before at start of the year, I need to prepare one PPM plan, PPM planner. I need to plan that I have to do the maintenance of this equipment like AHU electric motor, okay, within 6 months, within quarterly, within monthly, okay. So depend upon the asset requirement, I have to schedule the maintenance. That's why it is a time-based maintenance. So preventive maintenance, it is a time-based maintenance. According to the time schedule, I need to do the maintenance. Second one is reactive maintenance. Reactive means reactively we need to do the maintenance. That means it is a call out based maintenance. As an example, if we are maintaining one residential building, if any of the tenant or client called and sent, hello, can you come here, there is water leakage, within the time frame, within the stipulated time, we have to go there and fix the water leakage. So that is the call out based maintenance, that is called reactive maintenance. Third one is predictive maintenance. It is a condition based maintenance. As an example, if we are maintaining the building, suppose today morning I went to the electrical room, I found my air circuit breaker is too much hot. I found in the electrical room my motor is getting too much vibration. I cannot wait. I need to do the maintenance as per the condition. So this is called condition based maintenance, like predictive maintenance. Okay, so if you are doing the maintenance means you are doing the preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and reactive maintenance. Then what are the objectives of maintenance? The main objective of maintenance is to increase the overall equipment effectiveness of the equipment. So what is overall equipment effectiveness? OEE. The overall equipment effectiveness is to increase the performance, the availability, and the quality of all the equipment and asset in the building. As an example, as a facilities management company or as a company, if I am managing one of the residential building, if I am managing one of the commercial building, then my responsibility is to maintain the performance, maintain the availability, and maintain the quality of all the equipment. I'll tell you one more example. Suppose I have one electrical room. I'm maintaining this electrical room. My responsibilities should be all the electrical breaker in the room should be perform well, and all the breakers availability should be 100%. If something will happen, the backup source should be available. Then quality. If I enter to the electrical room, the room should be cleaned properly. There should be a checklist. All the systems should be in auto mode. So this is called quality. This is our main responsibility. If we are maintaining, we are doing the maintenance, we need to make sure that our all the equipment and assets are perform well, 100% available, and there is quality. So this is the main objective of maintenance. To maintain the performance, availability, and quality, we need to follow the 7 rules of maintenance, that is called 7 pillar of maintenance. First one is autonomous maintenance by regular checkup. Second one is focus improvement, that means fix the issue at first visit. Third one is plant maintenance. Fourth one is quality maintenance. Fifth one is training and development. Sixth is HSE. Seventh is office TPM, that is called documentation work. Okay, so as we discussed, the objective of maintenance is to decrease downtime and increase availability. Okay, so again I am telling you there are 7 rules we need to follow. They are first one is regular checkup. Regular checkup. Okay, once we start our duty, we need to do the regular checkup. Okay, in front of you there is an image of chilled water plant. Okay, if the technician will visit this plant, he should watch carefully, listen carefully, touch and feel. Why he will watch carefully? To find out the abnormality and looseness. He needs to listen carefully to find out the abnormal sound. He needs to touch the motor if it is applicable to find out the abnormal heating and vibration. He needs to feel for any bad smell or burning smell. So number one responsibility to do the regular checkup. Second one is fix the issue at first visits. That's why it is very important to do the root cause analysis. What is root cause analysis? I will make another video because it's a very big topic. We need to know about it. So number one responsibility is do the regular checkup. Second one responsibility is to do fix the issue at first visit. Third one responsibility is do the planned maintenance, that is called PPM. Never ever escape your preventive maintenance schedule. Fourth one is you have to do the quality maintenance. That means quality means you need to follow 3 steps: doing, informing, updating. Do your job with good quality, inform whatever requirement, whatever challenges you are facing, then update yourself. Then these are the 3 things you need to follow to maintain the quality. Then health and safety. We need to maintain health and safety at our project because your safety in your hand, and you need to know the hazards before carrying out the job. Sixth one is training and toolbox talk. Training is the most important thing. Training means the operational competency. Training means the operational competency aggregated of skill, knowledge, and situation. Understand the situation. Okay, every day you need to do the toolbox talk, and we need to discuss what you done yesterday, what you are going to do today, and what are the challenges at your side. Last one is document. So you need to update all the document like checklist, PPM work order, whatever required at site on the proper way. So these are the 7 rules you need to follow to maintain the performance, availability, quality of the site. I hope you got a basic knowledge about maintenance and it will be helpful for you. Thank you very much.